Happy Sunday, guys. So I never thought I would say I was happy to see rain, but I'm actually happy to see rain. It's been raining off and on today, and oh my gosh, we so need it. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see. Can you see that? Yeah, that's the cat. It actually is sprinkling out right now. It was just pouring. But yeah, I never like rain, but in this case, definitely we needed it. It hasn't rained here in a really, really long time. Like, really long time. Like, I can't even remember the last time. I think it was when we had the hurricane. Seriously, that's when we had, like, our last major rain. We've had, like, a sprinkle here and a sprinkle there. I gotta show you this cat. She's crazy. I don't know what she's doing. Yeah? What are you doing? Hopefully, I'm a little kind of sad because my flowers here starting to get brown. I was hoping they would last at least until Halloween, you know, but yeah. And I mean, I water them every day, so they're getting some rain now. Hopefully they'll last. Ender's out here. Yeah, it stopped raining. It was just pouring like 2 seconds ago. And my cat is out here. She's loving it. It's cooled down considerably too. It was really warm this morning. Yeah, it was actually warm out this morning, and now the temperature has come down. Got my Patriot shirt on, even though they're not playing today, because they played on Thursday. And I'm so mad at myself because I meant to watch the game and I completely forgot that it was on. Duh. Hey, Ender, come on, bud. Now they're not playing again until next Monday. So, hey, but at least they're undefeated. My New England Patriots. Yeah. All right, Ender, I'm going in. Bye. Bye, Ender. All three boys have been upstairs playing Minecraft all day long. I don't even know if Jason took a shower and got dressed yet. But yeah, they've all been upstairs, all three of them. Charlie didn't even want to go out. He was like, yeah, I'm good. I'm watching a movie. It's called, I think it's 12 Strong. I think so. I'm not sure what it's called. But it's actually pretty good. 12 Strong, yeah. So anyway, I'm going to get back to my movie. And I also got World of Warcraft going over here. And I'll talk to you guys a little bit later. Hopefully, if I see the twins, I'll blog them, but I don't know. Can't make any promises. You got your baby. You got your baby. I love it when he shakes it. You got your baby. You got your baby. What are you doing? You got your baby. Yeah? You got your baby. What's this? See, things like this drive me crazy. Look, this is actually a hole. See? It looks like there's dirt on there or something, but it's actually a hole in the cement. I wonder if I can get something to fill that. Because then what happens is it fills up with dirt and stuff. You got your baby. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah? Yeah? Where are you going? Where are you going with that baby? Huh? Where you go? You got yours too? You got your baby? You got your baby? There you go. Someone's feeling a lot better. He was really sore last week. Now he's doing really good, though. All right. Hey, Jason.
Oh, hi.
Hi. So, we came out, got some Starbucks.
No sandwich.
I needed a sandwich. I actually made a sandwich at home because we have sandwich meat that I didn't want to go to waste. Jason.
Needed something warm. It's cold out today.
It is not. Oh my god, it's 73. You're such a turd.
Oh, but it's like dark.
If I say it's cold out, he's like, what do you mean it's cold out? I'm sweating. And it's like 40 out.
But it's dark and gloomy out.
It is dark and gloomy.
And this is actually the first time I've been out in like
Days.
yeah.
Yeah. Why is that? What have you been doing? Playing Minecraft. So the boys were like, because Jason's going to be going on a trip, and the boys are like, well, how are we going to get diamonds? It's like, seriously, guys? Seriously?
I'm gonna find diamonds. What can I say?
We got them spoiled, is what I can say. I got to show you Charlie. Charlie's got his puppuccino. Charlie. Oh, you got whipped cream all over your lips. He's got his puppuccino. He loves that thing.
Mm-hmm.
He gives us the eye if we don't get it to him. He like stares you down and makes you feel guilty.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, that's what we're doing. And yeah, we'll be heading back home.
Mm-hmm.
Let Jason have some of his sandwich.
Mm-hmm.
And I gotta do laundry.
Mm.
Mm. So, it's nighttime. This guy's had a very busy day playing Minecraft.
I was gonna say we were busy mining.
Yeah, we're mining.
Now
Yeah, I was minding my own business.
Oh.
Look at Ender emptying out his toy box. What are you doing? Huh? Hey. Yeah, you know how to take him out, but can you put him back in?
Nope.
That's Charlie's bed. He doesn't care.
No.
He does not care. Jaden's over there deep in thought. Hey, buddy.
When you go to
So,
pizza Hut.
he spent like an hour
Good luck with that.
pacing around telling me all about Minecraft enchanting. So now I know everything there is to know about that.
Yeah.
That lets you win. You can win like that.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, it's kind of important. I didn't realize how awesome it was.
Yeah.
So I started trying. I don't know. This is the farthest we've ever been in Minecraft. Like, we've never been this close to winning.
I didn't know
I
you
don't
could
know if
win.
it's
I didn't know you could win Minecraft. I didn't think that was the point. I thought you
You
just
can
ran
win.
around
You
doing
can keep
stuff.
going.
You can win, but then you can still play.
Like, there's more to do after you win.
I didn't. Is there quests?
No.
There's a single quest.
Then how do you win?
Defeat the Ender Dragon.
How do you
You
find
can
the
beat
Ender
the winner,
Dragon?
But
Do
have
you
to-
level up?
No.
Yes, but not
Yes,
like you're thinking.
no. Not like how you're thinking. You can level up. That's how you enchant things. It costs levels. But that's not like the whole point of the game. You're supposed to find the Ender Dragon.
Where does the Ender Dragon live?
The end. And you gotta get there. beat
He lives
the
right
Ender
here.
Dragon,
Are
and
you
then
the
beat
Ender Dragon?
Oh yeah. You gotta
Or you Enderman?
beat the game, and then
Yeah, last night they were talking about how they had to collect the eyes of Ender. And Ender was like, no, you do not.
No.
we have like 12
don't-
of them now.
Don't collect Ender's
two
eyes.
more
He
I
needs
need.
them to see.
So just to clarify for anyone that might be new to the channel, Ender was not named after Minecraft, just FYI.
Right. Oh, he's got another toy. Look at he's collecting all the toys. Somebody actually sent that to us. He likes the toys that people send him. He really appreciates it when you guys send him things. So doesn't Charlie. Charlie does too. Yep. All right. Well, it's bedtime anyway. Got a busy day tomorrow. Tomorrow's Monday. Hey, Moss. So Moss isn't very happy. It's been raining off and on all day, and she's not thrilled with that. But it's nighttime, so she can be in. All right. So I guess we can say goodnight.
Yeah.
Right? Tomorrow's Monday. School day, school day. Work day, work day. I work every day.
Bro. Okay.
And our washing machine downstairs is broken, so I have to bring it all upstairs. It's heavy. I don't like that. I know. Anyway, So, guys,
What?
what do you want them to do right now?
You need to play Minecraft. Okay. You don't have to if you don't want to. But
We actually had some questions with that also. We're playing, we're all playing. It's just a local game. People are asking if it was like a Minecraft realm or a
Oh,
server
no.
or something. It's just a local game.
yeah, it's just a land game.
Okay. Anyway, now to get that out of the way.
So make sure you like the video if you like the video.
And
Dab on the videos. Okay. Like the video if you like the video. Subscribe if you like the channel, and click the bell icon if you subscribed. Okay. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
See you later.
bye, Jay. I don't think we heard you talk. Say something.
Something.
All right. Bye.
Bye.